welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we're here in 100 Islands in Alaminos, Pangasinan. So guys, this is the last part of my vlog here in 100 Islands. So sa mga previous vlog na in-upload ko, nag-island hopping kami. First is the Pilgrim Island kung saan nag-hiking kami. And then after, the next activity na ginawa namin is zipline sa Governor's Island. Then, nag-helmet diving din kami for the underwater activity which is nakita namin si Nemo at saka yung mga malalaking clam. And the last activity na gagawin namin is banana boat. For this activity, ang price ng banana boat ride is 1,500. Maximum niya is 7 person. So, for this ride, 6 lang kami. So, pumapatak siya ng 250 each per person. So ngayon, ina-assist na kami ng mga staff para isuot yung mga safety gear like life jacket and helmet. If you have any valuable item na hindi pwedeng mabasa while doing this activity like camera, mobiles, or money, pwede natin siyang iwan kay Kuya Nino. So habang nag-enjoy tayo sa water activity, he will be the one who will watch our things. So no need to worry. And also guys, I suggest na mag-wear kayo ng rash guard and sunblock. Kasi wala akong ka-idea na itong banana boat ride will takes like 15 to 20 minutes. Akala ko quick ride lang siya like 5 minutes. So, inikot nyo talaga yung buong island at sobrang init pero enjoy naman at saka malakas ang hangin. Yun lang, if ayaw mo talagang umitim, I advise to put sunblock. Everyone is already ready and waiting for our turn. Medyo marami ding tourists na nakaline for this activity so hinihintay lang namin yung turn namin. And also, before kami mag-start ng activity, mayroon ding photographer na magte-take sa'yo ng picture. So, if you want to take the souvenir, yung soft copy niya is 150. Pero if you don't want, pwede mo namang ibigay yung mobile mo, sila lang yung magte-take sa'yo ng picture. Pero since iniwan namin yung mga mobile namin kay Kuya Nino at ang dala ko lang is itong DJI Osmo ko, I pay 150 for the soft copy ng picture namin dito sa banana boat ride.
Hindi ko alam. Tinanong mo ba kay Kuya?